planning tool. And we call this X-curve. May teacher ba dito? Meron teacher? Wala. Kasi sa teacher, pag nilagyan ng X, wrong. No? In our financial planning, X is good. No? So, huwag niyo tuturuan yung mga anak niyo na X is good. Baka gusto niya sa school niya. But this is very simple yet very powerful tool of planning. You know? It just tells us that when we're young, there is no savings. Or not so much. No? And when we grow old or older, our goal is to have big savings. Achieve our financial goal. Correspondingly, when we're young, we have big responsibility. Diba? And growing old, our goal is to have no responsibility. It's just telling us that as we grow old, we need to build our money line and reduce our responsibility line. The only way we can reduce our responsibility line is by growing our money line. Every peso we put into this money line is a peso reduction in our responsibility line. Clear? Simple, no? Now, what are the responsibilities? Oh, di ba mga basic needs, no? Including bayad sa utang. You know why it's in the States na nagkakaroon ng utang? Very obvious, di ba? When we get into relationships, okay, una natin pag-usapan niyan, kasalan. Ang susunod niyan, anong pag-usapan? Bahay. Ay, honeymoon muna siya. Tama, honeymoon muna. Sorry, tama siya. Honeymoon muna. Pagkatapos ng honeymoon, ibabahay na siyempre. Ay, hindi, mali pala yung word na yun, ano? Pag-iisip na ng... Ikaw, ha? Sige, normalist. Tirahan. Di ba? Bahay. So, ano mangyayari? Siyempre, utang. Tama? And suddenly, your responsibility shoot up. And I always encounter in this country, Singapore, kasi may income. Tapos may pupunta dito mga agent ng realty. Bibili kayo ng condo. Di ba? Na-excite kayo. At least, trabaho kayong trabaho. Di ba? At least may pupuntahan na yung pera ko. Not thinking that sometimes you may be making a wrong decision. So be careful also in your jumping into investing like that. It has to be properly made. Okay? And how do you support all of these needs? You have to work hard for the money. Diba? You do your active income. Trabaho. Kahit na ayaw mo na yung tsura ng boss mo, pasok ka pa din. Diba? Tama ba? Meron bang ganun dito? Taas ang kamay, huwag na lang. Baka dito yung boss nyo. So, your goal is to make sure that you transform yourself from active income to passive income. Money working for you. That's our goal. From this stage, na bata tayo, to this stage, kagaya ko na, dapat passive income. That's our goal. Because we still have a lot of responsibility. And the biggest responsibility certainly is health. And this is not secret. No? This is very clear. But yet not perceived by many. You see, when you're young, you're employed, the company gives you healthcare. Right? Meron ba dito employed na hindi binigyan ng healthcare? Pwede nating i-reklamo yun. No? But certainly, when you are employed, even in the Philippines, meron niyang health card, health care, right? Bata. Do you think you will use that health card? Or you would like to use it? Of course not. Di ba? Siklib yung katulad ng katumbas nun, di ba? You don't want to use it, but it's given to you. It's a benefit. Yung iba, kontuhan, may benefit kami siklib. Gusto mong gamitin? Di ba? Ayaw mo naman. When do you think you will use it? When you're old. When you retire and you're old, will the company give you the health card?
No.
No. They take it back. When you need it, they take it back. Sabi ko, ang fair talaga ng employer, no?
Kung kailan tumanda, tsaka kukunin.
Correct. Kung kailan siya kailangan, kukunin sa'yo. Kung kailan hindi mo kailangan, binibigay sa'yo. Paano masosolve yun? You have to have it yourself. Build it now before you retire. That's how to do it. Now, in life, there's a need. And I'd like you to make a choice. No? First choice. Raise your hand if you'd like this option. Okay? Walang tumas ang kamay. Okay? The other option. Okay? Sino dito sa ligtulong? Taas kamay. Alright. Lahat kayo, no? Ay, yung iba nasa gitna lang. Ligtulong. Okay. Agree with me that live too long or die too soon if you don't have a plan and you don't have money are both problems. Right? Therefore, it has to be planned. Okay? And what is the solution? The solution is make sure you are amply protected. You have instant money such that when this income is taken away dahil kinuha ka ni Lord, magkikick in yung insurance money so that the responsibility can still be supported. No? Now, we're not, again, insurance company. I'm not selling you insurance. I'm giving you a concept that tells you that we need to prepare for this eventuality. Everybody is subject to this. Kami nakalampas na dyan. Kayo, ikaw, nako, bata pa kayo. Those that are still in the 20 to 40 are subject to this. No? Pag lumampas na kayo mga 50, dapat nandito na kayo sa stage na to, building your wealth. Okay, now, the solution to the other side is make sure you have investments. Investments that will earn interest and you can live on the interest of your investments. That's how to do it. No? So this is the way to plan your financial life. Now, let's have a reality check. What happens with the money line? Is it going up or going down when you grow old? More often than not, kaya kayo tahimik, pababa yan. Imbis na tumataas ang money line. Whereas the responsibility line, instead of going up, or going down, it is going up. Kasi pati ako, sa'yo na rin. Di ba? Tama ba? And, we really need to know how to increase this money line. Have you read the book of Brother Bo? Libro ni Brother Bo, mga props, no? By the way, commercial lang. Sa page 99 nito, andun yung pangalan ng ex ko eh. No? If you want to save and invest, there's an email that says feli.santiago@gmail.com. So, maraming inquiry from Singapore going to yung babaeng maganda doon. Nandito sa libro na. And our company is in page 126 of this book. No? So, you can find IMG on page 126 of this book. And going back here, we need to know how to increase our money line. Like going to Baguio, there are many ways to go to Baguio. No. Pwedeng lakarin yun. From Pasay to Baguio. Now, how long will it take? Probably. Please, kung ikaw maglalakad. 3 months. Daming Starbucks no? About 6 days siguro. No? 4 kilometers an hour walk. That can take you about 6 days. Okay? You ride a bicycle. Maybe 3 days. Kung talagang malakas pa yung tuhod mo, no? Pagka medyo kagaya ko na, siguro mga 3.5 days. Half day lang. How about riding a bus? How many hours from Pasay? Victory Line. About 6 hours, no? May stopover, no? How about riding a plane? 30 minutes. Yeah. Including yung pasok, ganyan, siguro mga 30 minutes and 2 hours. Sa airport. So yun. Those are the types of vehicles you can ride going to Baguio, right? Just like in investing, there are also different vehicles you can ride on to bring up your money line. So, very key yan. Because each one has its own risk. Right? So, low risk, very slow. Right? Fast, high risk. Lalo na kung maulap. Sa bundok na kayo lumanding. Diba? So, the same with investing. And the other thing we need to know is how fast does money double? Because that is the only way we can really manage something. Manage your finances. Kaya nga tanong ko sa inyo kanina, how much is the interest rate of the credit card and the interest rate of the bank? Kasi more often than not, naglalagay tayo ng pera, hindi natin alam kailan siya dodoble. Di ba? Tama ba? Yung mga investment nyo, alam nyo ba kung kailan dodoble? Hindi, di ba? You're not even projecting. Kami ni Perry, we already know. We have a projection. By 2013, this is the amount of money we will have. And in fact, the last time we checked, imbis na 2013, this time, even earlier this year, we already achieved what we should achieve in 2013. We know. Because we have projections. We check. We monitor our investments. That's investing. And we know how fast money to hold. And I'll show